Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Trade Talk podcast. On Tuesday, after the actual event of outcome on the election results, we saw a deep decline in the market because it was not at all expected that the NDA can settle at 292 seats, and maybe that's the reason we saw deep decline in the first half. In the second half, we saw some recovery because finally the majority is with NDA. But at the same time, for next few days, because of the uncertain news flow, the market will remain volatile and it will consolidate between the range of 22,300 and 22,000 and 21,300 on the downside. So within this 1,000 points, we are going to see range bound volatile sort of activity in the market. On the dismissal of 22,300, we could see some upward activity up to 22,500, where it has resistance of 50 days as well as 20 days simple moving average. Strategy should be to look for reducing positions at each resistance levels like 22,200, 22,300 and 500 levels. For traders, it is advisable to take contra trades close to the given levels of 21,300 and 22,300 levels. For the Bank Nifty, there also we saw sharp decline from the highs of 51,000 to almost 46,500. We are expecting Bank Nifty also to remain in a range of 46,000 and 48,000 for next few days. It is going to consolidate between these levels. Above 48,000 only, we could see some short covering in the index. Otherwise, it is going to remain in a range, and again, it is advisable to take contra trades close to important support levels as well as resistance levels. Apart from this, almost all the indices fell from the highs, but defensives like FMCG, Pharma, IT remained resilient and recovered from their lows. So there we could see some more action because now the government will focus more on the consumption and on the employment. So that will actually help rural as well as FMCG and pharma sort of companies. IT companies should also do well because the bond yield, which was around 4.50 levels few days back, is now again back to the levels of 4.3033. Crude is at $77 per barrel. So dollar index is around 104. So all these factors are going to support the defensives, but especially IT companies in the near term. That's all from my side for the day. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening me, and have a great day to all of you. Thank you.